Ever look around your home and think, something just feels off? It's not messy, but it doesn't feel put together either. You're not alone. Many of us try to create a space that feels like us, only to end up with a collection of things that don't quite connect. That nagging sense of incompleteness usually comes down to a few overlooked design principles. It's not about spending more, it's about the small details that make a house feel like home. Today, we'll break down the most common reasons your home feels unfinished, and more importantly, how to fix them. Let's dive in. The biggest culprit behind a space that feels off? Inconsistent color. Mixing a blue pillow, a green rug, and a random accent wall creates visual chaos. A cohesive color palette is the foundation of your home's design story. Pick 2 or 3 base neutrals, like white, gray, or beige, and 1 or 2 accent colors for personality. Use these colors throughout your home, echoing them in different rooms for flow and harmony. This doesn't mean every room looks the same, but the core colors should connect the spaces. Consistency makes your home feel intentional and polished. Once you commit to a palette, every new piece fits the story. It's the simplest way to turn a collection of rooms into a unified, calming home. Start with color, and everything else falls into place. Let's talk about decor clutter, the kind that makes your home feel chaotic, even when it's clean. Filling every surface with random items creates visual overload and a lack of focus. Instead, curate your space. Remove everything from your shelves and surfaces. Only put back what you truly love and what fits your vision. Group items in odd numbers, vary heights and textures, and leave some negative space. A tall vase, a stack of books, and a candle can create a dynamic, intentional vignette. Editing your decor tells a story and showcases your personality. Your home becomes a curated gallery, not a cluttered thrift shop. This simple process instantly makes your space feel more personal and complete. Less is more. Let your favorite pieces shine. Ever walk into a room and feel lost? That's usually because there's no focal point. Every room needs a star, something your eyes land on first. It could be a fireplace, a big window, or a bold piece of art. If your room lacks a natural focal point, create one with a statement mirror, dramatic light fixture, or an accent wall. Make sure your furniture orients toward this feature. The focal point anchors the space and gives it purpose. Everything else should support, not compete with, your star element. This simple shift brings order and intention to any room. Suddenly, your space feels designed, not just decorated. Find your focal point and the rest will follow. Even the best design falls flat with bad lighting. Relying on a single overhead light makes a room feel cold and uninviting. Layer your lighting. Start with ambient add task and finish with accent. Use floor lamps, table lamps, and wall lights to create depth and warmth. Take advantage of natural light. Keep windows clear and use light curtains. Good lighting transforms mood, highlights textures, and makes colors pop. Don't forget accent lighting for drama and focus. A well-lit room feels cozy, welcoming, and complete. Lighting is the secret ingredient to a polished home. Layer it and watch your space come alive. Flat surfaces, coffee tables, nightstands, counters are often either empty or cluttered. Both extremes make a room feel unfinished. Use these surfaces to create small styled moments. A tray is your best friend. It corrals items and makes them look intentional. Group objects in threes, mix heights and textures, and keep it functional. For example, a stack of books, a plant, and a candle on a coffee table. Don't overcrowd, leave space to breathe. These little vignettes add personality and polish to your home. Style your surfaces and your space will instantly feel more finished. Bare walls make a home feel cold and temporary, but too many small pieces create chaos. Go big with art or mirrors. One large piece has more impact than a dozen tiny ones. Large-scale decor creates a focal point and makes the room feel grand. If you love gallery walls, keep them cohesive. Use a consistent color palette or matching frames. Lay out your arrangement on the floor first to find balance. Consistent spacing and a unified look are key. Be intentional. Your walls are your home's biggest canvas. Thoughtful wall decor transforms a space from unfinished to inspired. Make your walls work for you. If your space still feels cold, you're probably missing textiles. Rugs, curtains, pillows, and throws add warmth, comfort, and texture. A rug anchors furniture and defines zones. Make sure it's big enough. Curtains soften windows and add elegance. Hang them high and wide for drama. Stick to your color palette, but mix materials. Knit throws, velvet pillows, linen cushions. Layering textiles absorbs sound and makes a room feel cozy and inviting. Even sheer curtains can make a big difference. Throws and pillows are the easiest way to add personality and comfort. Textiles are the finishing touch that turns a house into a home. Don't skip them. Your space will thank you. Your home doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs intention. Make choices that reflect who you are and how you want to feel. Use these design principles to tell your story, one room at a time. Start small, see how it feels, and build from there. The power to transform your space is in your hands. Which tip will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more decor tips.